How to delete SafePal Wallet from SafePal app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete SafePal Wallet from SafePal application. The first step is to log in into your SafePal application, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see a tab. You can see some tabs which includes coin, NFT, DeFi, etc. And so once you can see that, move to the top part of the screen where you can see your wallet, okay, and just click on it. And so after clicking on it, you can see your wallet here, your software wallet. So you can see all of the wallets that you have too if you have more than one. And then the next thing will be to move to the right side of the wallet and click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. And so the next step will be to scroll down and then click on the option remove wallet. And so you can see before deleting this wallet, please confirm you have backed up your mnemonic phrase and all of that. Click on delete, and then just like that, your SafePal wallet would be deleted from your SafePal application. Just like that. For me, I still want to retain my wallet. That is why I have not deleted it. But for you, you can go ahead and delete it if you want to. So that is it. This is how you can delete your SafePal wallet. Thank you for watching and have a good day.